I would like to share with all the handymen out there who have the same problem with me when we use the air nail gun and we cannot control the depth. Okay, right now I use my little aluminum scrap over here, and I will try to hook them in here. Let's see what happens. Let's see if it work or not. I write down a little bit to make sure they go in here and they still move freely, and then bend them out to make sure it's can hold. Okay, I bend them back like a hook, just like that. Put them in here, make sure it's stay in, and then put the nut back. That means when they come up, see when they come up, because they will stop over here. Let's see. See that I tested that before. See if it is. Let's try. All right. Look at this. Looks like we don't see any more mark. They still come up a little bit, but it's harder. Look like it works to me now. Better than. All right, that's all I want to share with you guys. I hope you can adjust a little bit, but right now to me that's better now. Yeah, to me that's better. Okay, I hope I can share with you guys and try to help anybody out. All right, good luck with you guys.